Germany's industrial slowdown could have serious consequences for the global economy. Germany is a major exporter and a key player in the European Union. Its industrial sector accounts for about a quarter of its GDP and employs millions of workers. But Germany is facing a severe energy crisis that is hurting its industrial output. The country relies heavily on Russian natural gas, which has become scarce and expensive due to geopolitical tensions and supply disruptions. Electricity prices in Germany have soared more than 600% in the past year, squeezing the profits and competitiveness of German manufacturers. The high energy costs have also pushed up inflation in Germany, which reached 37.2% in July, the highest level since this has eroded the purchasing power of German consumers, who have cut back on spending. Household consumption fell 1.2% in the first quarter of 2023, while government spending also declined by 4.9%. The combination of weak domestic demand and rising production costs has led to a contraction in Germany's GDP for 2 consecutive quarters, meeting the technical definition of a recession. The German economy shrank by 0.3% in the first quarter of 2023, after a downward revision from zero growth. This followed a 0.5% decline in the fourth quarter. Of the slowdown in Germany's industrial output could have spillover effects on the global economy, given Germany's role as a major exporter and a key player in the European Union. Germany is the world's third-largest exporter of goods, behind China and the US. It sells mainly machinery, vehicles, chemicals and pharmaceuticals to other countries. A drop in German exports could hurt the growth prospects of its trading partners, especially those in Europe that depend on German products and components. For example, Germany is the largest supplier of car parts to France, Italy and Spain. A disruption in German supply chains could affect the production and sales of cars across Europe. Germany is also the largest economy in the EU and contributes about 20% of its GDP. It is a leader in setting economic policies and providing financial support to other member states. A recession in Germany could weaken its ability and willingness to help other countries that are struggling with debt, unemployment or social unrest. The global economy is already facing many challenges, such as the COVID-19 pandemic, climate change, trade wars and geopolitical conflicts. A slowdown in Germany's industrial output could add another layer of uncertainty and risk to the global outlook.